everyone, I've got a great opportunity here on Queen Street in Salford to show you this fantastic and lovely presented throughout 2-bedroom terrace property. Now, as you can see, walking through into our living area, we've got a lovely space, tastefully decorated with spotlights and new blinds fitted there as well. And then walking through, we have our modern fitted kitchen here. You can see it's a really great size. Then leading out the back, we have a yard here with the addition of a garden here to the back, as well as the yard which comes with the property. So we've got later lawn grass here, and again a separate yard which is directly outside the back of the property. So we've got a great space there which could be utilised quite well, and would definitely be a fantastic first time buy or family home. So now coming down to our cellar. It is currently used as storage. Really great extra space that we've got here. And then coming back up to our ground floor, and then to the first floor, we have a very large and modern 3-piece bathroom suite with the shower over the bath. So we've got some newly fitted carpet here as well, which is a lovely grey colour, and again our bathroom, which is a very good size 3-piece suite with our shower over the bath. All really nicely maintained and modern. So the property is gas central heated and double glazed throughout, and consists of 2 generous sized bedrooms. So this is our master bedroom, overlooking the front of the property, which is situated on the first floor. And then going up to the second floor, we have our second bedroom. So the property has lots of fantastic transport links nearby, well-kept parks, walking distance to Aldi. So this is our second bedroom, which has further storage there as well, as you can see. So this has been our 2-bedroom property on Queen Street in Salford. If you would like to arrange our viewing with our colleagues, please give us a call on 0161 707 4900.